Welcome to the Freedom Culture. Today I just want to touch on Wall Street Journal's article. The number of ATMs has declined as people rely less on cash. The pandemic drove digital payments surge for many, but those who depend on cash are feeling the crunch. ATMs are becoming more and more irrelevant as everything is becoming more and more digital. Why go to the ATMs when we got our phone? This article continues to say the slow move towards a cashless society is helping to send the ubiquitous ATMs into a decline around the U.S., presenting challenges for those who still largely rely on cash. After peaking at 470,000 ATMs in the U.S. in 2019, the number of machines has declined annually over the past few years to 451,500 at the end of 2022. The reason? Many people quit using cash during the pandemic and haven't gone back. My take on this is that ATMs are about to be as obsolete as the VCR. Of course, this will be a necessity in order to follow suit with the world moving into a cashless society. Sort of like what's going on in China, in India, and now Nigeria.
And outside banks, residents of Lagos wait for hours to get cash or fuel, but neither are guaranteed. Ahead of the elections, Nigeria's economy is facing two major crises. The first, a cash shortage sparked by the replacement of paper notes with newly redesigned ones as the nation hopes to curb money laundering. In spite of a January 31st deadline, banks don't have enough new currency to swap for the old notes which residents are handing in. A crisis which has left people cashless and has forced businesses to close.
The ATMs are not working. Even when you walk into the bank, they will tell you they are not giving out that money, that they don't have the cash, the new notes. So it seems as if this is the only bank that is dispensing money.
It's just more and more countries with this problem until it reaches this one. This also solves the concern of a bank run. There'll be nobody running to get money out of the banks if there's no ATMs to run to. Big banks are afraid of bank runs because if you was to hear that there's going to be a bail-in, you'll be running to get your money out, to get your bank out. You know what I'm saying? So my suggestion is to start doing your research and be mindful of the times that we're moving into this digital economy, and possibly start, taking interest into investing into crypto, precious metals, or anything that's outside of the system that you can barter with. Not financial advice. Stay up.